Hey everybody, as you can see, we're on the bike again. We're back in Joplin. I'm getting my truck serviced. So my friend David, shout out to David, thank you, showed me this trail last time I was here. I jogged it, he rode his bike because I didn't have this one yet. So, but anyways, last time we went south. This time we're going to go north, and we'll see what the trail's like. Let's keep rolling. Well, as you can see, we've reached the end of the road, my friends. So we are going to turn back around and we're going to go the other way. As you can see here, this is an old narrow railroad track trail. This last little section that I was on was fairly large gravel, probably bumpy, as you could maybe tell. I don't know. So, but it's been fun so far. 14 miles. So it's gonna be a good workout today. Yeah, leisurely workout, but still a workout. Okay, we just arrived back at the TMC terminal. Let's see what the senior drill says we've done today. Y'all look at that. Me and Megatron here. Almost 28 miles. Some of it was some beastly hills. All right, well, we're gonna go in, take a shower real quick, see if we can grab the car, go grab a bite to eat. Whoo! Ah, that was fun.